Here in DC, you don't no, I'm good. Here in DC, you don't go to night parties anymore. What you do is you go to day parties because most people work and they have things to do. So this is what we're doing right now. We got a day party today and a day party tomorrow. And that's Lost Society right here. And the fellas are right here looking spiffy out here. Looking spiffy out here. Look at it. Look at it spiffy. Woo! Looking like a minute. Oh, goddamn, look who showed up. What up, bro?
Little bro.
How you, man? Good to see you, man. Oh, we lit.
How you feeling, Queen? I'm Buzz.
Nice
to meet you. All right.
Come here.
What happened there?
It was no good up there?
But it's like,
Now, where y'all going?
it's like, I'm
Probably
sure.
park. I don't know.
Y'all going to park? We called park. They said they wasn't having a day party there.
How far park from here?
On 14.
Yeah, park on 14.
Yeah, we called them. They said they wouldn't have one. Yeah.
All right, so we're going to still go in here and see what it's like, I guess.
You on the phone?
Someone on the phone. Old guy right here. All right, so we got place right here called Lost Society. It's super tall. Whatever you do, don't turn around. A Fable. Alright, y'all, so we about to go inside this place called, what is it? Multiple floors? Oh, so there's multiple floors. There's multiple floors.
That's my favorite part. I'll be like, bless. Is she getting married or what? Congratulations, baby. 3 cups. You got a camera.
They shady. These niggas just wanna be my baby. Born in the 80s, crack baby. Things to the streets, what they say me streets. To the one. Nigga getting shot. So let's see your nigga getting shot. Damn. They said it was empty in here? They said it was empty in here? No, I thought they said it was empty in here. That's just. What up? What's up, Frat? Yo, it's a lot of people here, and she said it's normally 3 times as many people as it is right now. Look at this stuff. It's gotta be like, I don't like when it's extra kind of. It's kind of good. So lemonade or cranberry juice? All right, cool. See clarity. Zay, birthday boy. Mr. Lee, is that you eating all that good food?
No problem.
All you gotta do is point.
Okay, don't gotta touch nothing.
Late night in DC with Root B. Hey, yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy FRE$H Fresh at the Flyboy Way, all platforms. I'm gonna get this camera right in a second, yo. So I wanted to go on a late night run because there's a restaurant I wanted to check out that everybody said was really dope called Jerkin Night, and it's open at nighttime, and it's right next to the club. Now I didn't go to the club here, but we're gonna go inside this thing called Jerkin Night and grab some food. There's a lot of people here, so let's get in and flip this around, y'all. DC, yo. Hey, yo, DC, stand up, yo, because y'all got mad spots that's open mad late, yo. So we about to go ahead and get some Jamaican food. I got to bring some back for the squad because everybody, well, for the young lady who's sleeping right now, but, yeah. Oh no, shit, God, boy. Oh. You or this one right here? You good? Alright, thanks, man.